In our world today, statistics show that prevalent cases of cardiovascular disease have affected up to 550 million people, caused up to 19 million deaths worldwide, rendering it the leading cause of disease burden in the world. To mitigate these heartbreaking statistics, Mediheal Group of Hospitals has risen to become a center of excellence for cardiac sciences in Kenya and Africa.
We are offering all state-of-art care for all cardiac patients.
The Department of Cardiovascular and Thoracic Surgery is part of the Mediheal Institute of Cardiac Sciences.
This is Dr. Misra's vision to start the cardiac unit here and to provide the affordable cardiovascular care to the patient of Kenya as well as the East Africa.
Being the largest healthcare provider in Kenya and East Africa, we are offering high quality cardiac treatment.
It is equivalent or at par with the UK and the US standard.
Mediheal has invested in state-of-the-art infrastructure complemented by world-class personnel that boasts a credible track record of delivering high-end treatment in the cardiac sciences.
We have a team of 15 people which comprises of 2 senior cardiovascular thoracic surgeon, myself as well as my colleague Dr. Latif. In our supporting team, other physicians as well as other surgeons are also there. And surgical side, we have a backup of general surgeon, GI surgeon, neurosurgeon, neurosurgeon and plastic surgeon.
The cardiovascular facility at Mediheal Hospital Parklands, Nairobi, provides a holistic care for vast cardiovascular conditions.
It has 3 branches or 3 sub-branches. One is the cardiac, one is the thoracic and one is the vascular. We are specially trained in the adult cardiac surgery as well as the pediatric cardiac surgery.
We are doing angiography, angioplasty, not only simple but the complex. Some complex interventions in the form of structural interventions like device closures, like valve surgery, replacement of valve without opening chest wall.
We are specially trained in doing the keyhole or minimal invasive surgery, in which we make the incision of 5 to 7 centimeter into the intercostal space, that is between the 2 ribs. The advantage of minimal invasive surgery is the length of stay in the ICU as well as hospital is less, less requirement of the blood, less requirement of the analgesic.
We provide a relatively pain-free procedure, shorten their hospital stay and improve their overall postoperative quality of life.
In last 2 months, we have done more than 50 procedures. One procedure where we have done the special pacemaker, it's called CRT, which usually we give in the patients of weak heart or heart failure patients.
We are specially trained in putting the LVAD, that is artificial pump, it is placed inside the chest, and the console or the computer, small computer is there outside the patient body, which will be connected with the help of the wire, and that pump will help in pumping the blood across the entire body.
For those children who are born with holes in the heart, is also one of the things that we're able to provide treatment for.
We are also trained in the heart transplant. Over a period of time, we may start a heart transplant program in Kenya.
We have here state-of-art cath lab. It's a Siemens cath lab with all cath lab services, means from DSA to normal angiography. All procedures we can do in this cath lab.
We have a heart-lung machine, hemotherm for cooling the patient and rewarming the patient, and we have a cell saver which reduces the blood loss during the surgery. We have the highest technology ventilator machines. We have 2 cardiac operation theater, 2 ICU, which is comprising 12-bedded facility, and we have general wards as well as the semi-private and private wards.
We also offer diagnostic services, which include 2D echocardiogram, treadmill test, and ECG.
For our Kenyan people, we want to give affordable health care.
I came from Sierra Leone for treatment in Kenya. They did this operation successfully. Here am I today, talking alive.
We at Mediheal Group of Hospitals are determined to provide care of international standards to serve humanity, and we are also destined to be the topmost leaders in Africa.
Usually the patient from the Kenya as well as the East Africa, they have to travel abroad like India or the other countries, and it is very expensive because of lots of logistic reason. So by bringing this facility to the Kenya, it is more helpful to the patients.
With the backdrop of more cardiac incidences, we endeavor to push for cardiac screening so as to avoid heart attacks and sudden cardiac deaths. It has been projected that cardiac disease burden in the coming years may spike. Thankfully, given their remarkable 15-year experience of service and excellence in healthcare, the team at Mediheal has taken this matter to heart, assuring their commitment to offer high-end and affordable cardiac treatment for Kenya, Africa, and beyond.